welcome back to another video. I'm glowing this morning. The skin is killing. Beauty is killing me. Let's go to the sleeping area.
I tap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. I keep 100 braces out.
Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, or else God will lash you.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Balls and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. So this is a quick introduction. If you're new here, my name is Emla Ando. I'm a Ghanaian YouTuber based in the United Kingdom. And to my OGs, you guys, I love you so much. So guys, remember my last vlog? I told you guys we were about doing some grocery shopping, but I was doing unboxing as well, so I couldn't go for the grocery shopping. We are going today, and I decided to do a quick intro. When I come back, I'll show you guys the apartment. You know, I told you guys I wanted to do a proper apartment tour. Today is the day. I'll take you guys around the apartment, show you everything around. I just wanted to do this quick before going, and I won't take you guys along. It's raining outside, so I won't take you guys along. I'm sorry. You know, I always do when I want to do, but today is not a good day. I'm glowing this morning. Oh god. So finally I've gotten proper camera to film myself, to show you guys that yes, the skin is killing. No filter, no. So this is not filtered. This is my raw skin. Omo, beauty is killing me. I'm me. This is just by the way. We are getting ready to go for the grocery shopping, and we are shopping for 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. So it's going to be a lot of things, guys. I'm going to carry. I'm going to do woman power. So guys, I just wanted to tell you guys before going, when we come back, I'll do grocery haul. Yeah, I'll show you what I got from the market and also film the apartment for you. I love you guys. You guys to stay tuned. Don't go. Wait for me. I'll be right back. Okay? I love you guys so much. Bye-bye. We're going to start with the toiletries, the detergent and all those stuff before we move to the food item. So we got this washing powder, and we got this. We've already taken one out of it. Sponge after wash. Shower gel. This shower gel is so good. Bathroom surface cleaner, mouthwash, toothpaste, bleach for the toilet. But that's all. The thing is, we have some of these things there, so we didn't buy a lot. So I'll pack these things out of here, then we unbox the food item. So we got this box of noodles, cornflakes. We got Conte. I didn't like Conte when I was in Ghana. We got this Gary. I love Gary so much. Guys, I don't play with my African food stuff. In Colin, palm soup based, Ghana butter, ginger and garlic paste. You know, I love ginger and garlic a lot. I add it to my food anytime I'm cooking. But you know, sometimes I am going to work or I want it very fast. Peeling ginger and garlic isn't easy. So when I want it fast and I don't have that time to peel a lot of ginger and garlic, I just go with my ginger and garlic paste. Cheeto chicken seasoning. I have a couple of spice, so we didn't buy a lot. We bought this Abuja bread. We even ate it before we got here. Lemon. Is this lemon or lime? I bought chicken, tilapia and those things. So anytime I buy them, I bring it home and wash it nicely with this lemon lime. I don't know the difference. So then I'll just pack everything nicely in the freezer. That's why I bought this. Super malt. Who eats bread without malt? You know, half of the bread is gone. Vitamilk. What else? We got eggs, Tesco, palm oil, bell pepper, salad tomatoes, carrots, cucumber, spaghetti, mayonnaise, ketchup, Tesco tomato paste. Please buy this tomato paste if you're in Ghana. Sorry, if you're in the UK. This tomato paste, oh my god, I love this tomato paste so much. Granola, Ghana best cassava dough and corn dough, sausage, Tesco cabbage, fish, tilapia, gizzard. We got cow knee, goat's meat, some hot chicken. Yeah, that's all we got.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer calls cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip drip. Hey, straight up out the objects, I'm a big crip. If I got up on a lean, I'ma sip. I run the racks up with my queen like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hopped inside of the Maybach and I went to sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve back. Uncle fronted me some keys, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new coupe. Either you running y'all gang or you sue. Got a New Orleans bitch, him in that pussy voodoo. And I'm that nigga now. Ooh. I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath.
Welcome to our home. Yay! I'm starting from the living and the kitchen area. So let's start with this art going on here. It's so pretty. Then you come to this side, which is a little cute dining space. So I managed to get this space. This is how it looks like. Yeah, this thing going on here came with the apartment. How to make raspberry and candy floss mojito, and behind is the ingredients and the method you have to follow. This is so cute. I also created this ironing space because the ironing board came with the apartment and we had nowhere to keep it, so I just had to create it here. From there you come to this. Yay! Oh, whoever made this apartment is so thoughtful, guys. We're thinking about how to buy furniture like couch, television, everything, and God being so good, God provided us with everything. So this is the couch. I love the theme and the color of this apartment. I came to meet this plant. This plant came with the apartment. It's an artificial plant. It's not a natural plant. And this is so cute. So nice. I tried, Sha. So this, I don't know what it is, but it came with the apartment. But I ordered this from Shein. You guys remember this in the unboxing vlog. I have my filming equipment here. My ring light and tripod. I got this cute thing from Shein. So this is a candle. If you've not watched my unboxing, the unboxing I did last week, just watch that vlog. You know I bought all these things from Shein. I have my filming and electrical stuff here. And we have documents here, very important documents. Toiletries here. S8 box and some other stuff. So this is how the kitchen looks. And it is so nice. I love this cloth. So when we come here, we have this storage thing going on here. Yeah, so we kept few things here. And also all these glasses, I think few of them, I think this and the other one belongs to us, but the rest came with the apartment. Isn't this thoughtful, guys? We have some food items in this area. This place and the sink. The kitchen dustbin. I keep saucepan. This saucepan came with the apartment, and this frying pan. So I've been planning to buy saucepan because I'm about starting my cooking vlogs, like cooking vlogs. So I made up my mind to buy saucepan, but came to meet these two saucepan here. But I'll buy a new saucepan for my child. Another storage facility. The golden spoons came with the apartment. My spice and seasoning. Over here we have rice, our fufu and kokonte. Tell me a Ghanaian without telling me you are. Here is the oven, and we also have some storage here. Guys, pardon me, I'm about cooking, that's why I have all these things here. The knife and some of the ladle and wooden spoons came with the apartment. It's for oil, storing your vegetable oil in here to give the aesthetics vibes. On the freezer we have the toaster and kettle. The freezer, we have a freezer here, and the fridge. Guys, my fridge is neatly cleaned. Also, the apartment came with a coffee maker, but I've kept it under this because I won't use it anyway. So guys, let's go to the sleeping area and the bathroom. This is the bedroom. Let me show you my favorite part. Here is my favorite part, guys. I love everything that I created here. I'm so proud of myself. Over here I have my bags, and when you move a bit further you get to see this cute space I created here. We have the perfumes, we have pomade, we have facial creams and all that. This is so beautiful. And guys, this cute mirror over here, I love this so much. This is the bed, and when you move a bit further you have this, what is it called? Oh god, guys, I've forgotten the name. So with this you can charge your phone on this thing. Let me turn it on for you guys to see what I'm talking about. So press this and you can keep your phone here to charge. And guys, you can also turn off the bedroom lamp, then you use this to sleep. You see, you can have all these colors. Isn't this cute? And we have this, some storage space here. Yeah, then yeah, so this is the shoes jacket area, and some shoes also here. These are the branded shoes in the boxes. This is the part of the apartment I don't like. The wardrobe. The wardrobe is so small. Like, this is so small. It's like a baby's wardrobe. I have a lot of things, and now we have to pack some of the bags under the bed containing clothes. So it doesn't even make sense. But everything has positive and negative side, so I don't blame anything. It's cool, it's fine. Over here I have wake ups. Not all my wakes because the wardrobe is too small. I've kept some of the wakes in one of these drawers. These are everyday jackets, like the jackets we just pick and step out of the house. Guys, this is our bathroom. So when you get into the bathroom, the first thing you see is this good morning toothbrush here and few things here. This is the water closet. The sink is here. My favorite part, this is my favorite part. The bathroom is so cute. Guys, look at the color. It's giving dark gray and black and ash. Yeah, So this mirror is a Bluetooth connect mirror. First of all, you can tap here, then the light, it's given you light and beauty. And then you can just tap on the Bluetooth. You see this is the Bluetooth symbol, and you connect it to your phone, your laptop, your tablet, or whatever. Play music, do whatever, receive calls, do whatever you want to do. Isn't this cute? So that's for the mirror. And yeah, besties, that's all for the apartment tour and the grocery haul. I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired at this point, but I'm happy. I'm so happy I did this vlog. I'm very excited to show you guys what we have now. And guys, I'm so blessed. I'm so thankful to God. God is so powerful and God is so good to me, and I really do appreciate that. So guys, I'm so happy to be here. I can't stop saying it, like I'm so happy. So the apartment is an all-inclusive apartment, so the bills are included, everything, tax, council tax, whatever. So that makes it easy. You don't have to think about bills, you don't have to think, you guys get. And also we have people coming here every Tuesday to clean the apartment, not the corridors, like the inside our rooms, like our kitchen, bathroom, and all that. But guys, I feel like a baby when they come. I'm like, oh. Frankly speaking, I make them help with the bathroom. I make them do their cleaning. Then when they go, I'll clean properly, like I'll deep clean. And the kitchen, for the kitchen, I always tell them no, I can do it myself. I feel, because my kitchen is always neat. You will never see dirt in my kitchen. Even if it's dirty, I'll still not allow them. I feel some kind of way. Maybe it's the Ghanaian in me, you know, Ghanaians. The Ghanaian spirit in me would not let them come tidy my kitchen or the living room or my bedroom. I just let them help with the bathroom. Then later, I'll still deep clean. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's vlog. I know you guys want more, but I'm sorry, we have to end here. We have to end here. I'm coming again next time. So guys, we are finally done with all these apartment. We are finally done with all those things. Now welcome back to reality, welcome back to fashion, welcome back to beauty. Guys, I'm going to give you fashion and beauty vlogs back to back. I'm coming to give you beauty, get ready with me, what I do in a day, what I eat in a day, cooking vlogs back to back, cooking vlogs pro max. That's just by the way. Now we're about having a proper vlogs, guys. I hope you guys will not leave me hanging. You guys wouldn't stop watching my vlogs. And please, if you're new here, thank you so much. I'm saying this again, thank you, so good to have you here. Please, what bad say? If you don't understand Chi, if you don't understand Ghanaian language, I'm trying to say, if you are here, please stay. Don't go, come stay, okay? We are accepting you. You are now a member of our family, and it's so entertaining. It's so good here, guys. Please like my video, give my video a thumbs up, and watch my previous vlog, guys. It will mean a lot to me. Please don't skip the ads, okay? Don't skip the ads when you're watching my vlogs. And comments, let's interact in the comment section. You guys know I always reply comment, because I have to do. I always reply, try my possible best to reply everybody, and I'll continue doing it. Nothing is going to stop me from replying your comments. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, or else God will lash you. I'm just kidding. Please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, comment. Until I see you in my next vlog, look good, eat well, drink a lot of water, pray, and hit the gym if it's necessary. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.
I put that on